Tonight we are having egg drop soup. Hope that's cool with you. Gonna make something quite delicious with the soup maker. It's super easy. Let me show you how it's done. We're gonna go in with some chicken stock. I've just got some cornstarch, mixed it with some water, make a little slurry, so we'll just put some in there and that's just gonna help thicken up the soup a little bit. Some garlic, I'm definitely a garlic girl. Turmeric, that will add some really nice color. White pepper, this is exactly what is needed in this soup. Plenty of it as well. Dark soy sauce, more color, more flavor. Let's give it a mix. I'm just gonna whip this on. And in 21 minutes, we're gonna be able to put our egg in and then enjoy this delicious soup. This whisk's definitely too big for this jug, but we'll go with it. A little bit of water just to loosen things a bit. You wanna loosen it a little bit because you want that nice stream as you're pouring it in. Use the ladle here. We need to stir them while it's still hot. All right, the egg's in. Bit of sesame oil just to add that lovely flavor and fragrance. Some spring onion. I am gonna be eating this all night long.